Hello guys, our topic today is P2P and how it works. So first of all, you have to go to your exchanger, search for P2P. So I'm using Bybits. After searching for P2P, that is peer-to-peer transaction, you then filter and then search for the merchant, verify merchants. Then choose the merchants that have the highest successful transaction, and then the mode of bank transfer that you want to pay for, and the amount of dollars you want to purchase. Then after doing that, you chat the merchant to make sure that it's online, and then copy his account number. You go to either OP or any of your accounts, bank, First Bank, or any of that, and then pay. Then you have to save the receipt of payment, send it to that merchant for verification. So after verification, the merchant will then release your USDT, and then the transaction will be completed. So you go back to your funding account in the centralized exchanger to verify whether it has been deposited to you. Thank you.